After designing 3 AI-based capability building applications and delivering more than 30 workshops on AI application at work, covering more than 1,500 people, here is what we have learned on how the way we work will change with adoption of AI. Impact on middle management. A lot of people are involved in data analytics, dashboard design, MIS creation, and they will soon find out that AI can do a lot of work that they are doing through simple prompts. This means leaders would rather prompt the raw data and get the insights that they are looking for instantly than wait for a month for their monthly dashboard to arrive. It also means more dashboard customization of insights at scale without significant human intervention. Decision making will be the most critical skill. AI can give you 10 different options to do anything. Which option you pick is ultimately the reflection of your decision-making capability. I think soon there will be more courses and simulations on helping people make better decisions with AI and hence improve their overall decision-making capability. I still remember during my MBA entrance exam, there was a paper on logical thinking. In the future, we might see more focus on that as a skill set because everyone will have access to similar insights. Quality and turnaround time. While the quality of output will go up, the time it takes to deliver that output will go down. Let's look at it in a different way. Can you think of one thing which you currently do on your laptop which AI can't do? Be it coding, designing presentations, writing new processes, market research, basically anything on a laptop can be done faster and with more accuracy with AI. In a way, gone are the days when you can tell your manager that you will take more than 1 week to deliver on the next task. So, which roles are safe? We believe your role is currently safe if you're not spending most of your time on a laptop, but on a machine or meeting other human beings. It could be a sales job or that of a person working on a shop floor or even HR business partners. See, AI cannot understand what is not explicitly said in words. In human interaction, almost 80% of the communication is not verbal, and hence such skills will continue to be in demand. For more such AI at workplace insights, visit us at nudgeable.ai.